This exam application tutorial is on the topic of limestone, the question for 6 marks, by referring to the properties and uses of limestone and its compounds, explain why large amounts of limestone are needed each year. What this question is asking you to do is describe the properties of limestone, state the compounds that can be made from limestone, so properties and uses of its compounds, state some of the uses of the compounds and link it to their specific properties, and state the large-scale uses of limestone. So this question can be broken down to a number of sub-questions, and attacking each of these will get you marks. So first let's look at the properties of limestone. Well, limestone is a white sedimentary rock made of calcium carbonate. And calcium carbonate and its derivative compounds, so the other things that it makes, calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, are bases. So that's the opposite of an acid, so that's a property. So how do we make these derivative compounds? Well, limestone can be processed or heated to make calcium oxide, so we heat it through thermal decomposition, we make calcium oxide. And calcium oxide can dissolve in water to produce calcium hydroxide solution or lime water, so here. Now we can use lime water to test for carbon dioxide because it turns cloudy when lime water reacts with carbon dioxide. So that's a use. Also, because calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide are bases, that's the opposite of an acid, we can use calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide to neutralize acidic soils. So because of acid rain, our soils become more acidic, and these chemical compounds can neutralize the acidity in the soil so plants can grow. We can also use these same compounds to neutralize acidic gases released from power stations. And limestone is largely used in construction to make cement, concrete and glass. You don't have to get all these points, but this does explain the answer fully. 6 of these points will be enough though.